The tropical rainforest, and why it's a wonderful place to visit. Here, it is warm all year round. Average temperatures is around 68 to 77 degrees. The climate here is very hot and humid, around 77 to 88%. The climate stays the same year round. There are no seasons. This is a climograph of the Amazon rainforest. Amount of rain starts to drop around May, drops to its lowest in August, and then climbs near normal in December. Love the rain like I do. Then any time would be a good time to visit if you want to stay as dry as possible. August would be best. Bring a raincoat, boots as well. Pants or shorts can be worn. This is a passion fruit flower. They have small dots on their leaves to mimic eggs so butterflies won't lay their eggs there. These are giant water lilies. Their flowers are white and it blooms only at night. They can have a diameter of 3 to 6 feet. This is an acai palm tree. The fruit is known as a superfruit and can be made into juice. All of these plants live in this beautiful forest. It is home to most of the plants in the world, including most of your houseplants. The rainforests of the world help give oxygen to our planet, and is a very important part of our world. Now let's talk about the animals of the rainforest. The jaguar is a carnivore and a predator. They are the third biggest cat in the world. This is a keel-billed toucan. They are omnivores and I'd say they would be prey. They are very social and they like to throw fruit in their friend's mouth. This is a spider monkey. They are omnivores. Although 90% of their diet is fruit and nuts, they are prey and they also do not have thumbs. The capybara is a herbivore. They eat about 6 to 8 pounds of grass a day, and they are herbivores. Let's move on to animal relationships. Ants collect seeds of several epiphytes like moss and make them into nests that create hanging gardens. This is an example of mutualism. An example of competition is that many of the big cats fight over the small mammals. An example of parasitism is when strangler fig seeds get carried up trees by birds, and as the seed grows the long roots wrap around and strangle the tree. Finally, an example of commensalism is when frogs will use plants or live inside trees for protection. Now why should we go to the rainforest? We can go for hikes, play in waterfalls, swim in the trees, or camp. A cool landmark is the Amazon River, also called the Meeting of the Waters. It is the largest river by volume of water and second largest in length. The rainforest is very ripe in species, and most of our oxygen comes from there. This huge forest spreads over 9 countries. One of the dangers to rear the venomous snakes. Be careful and wear good shoes. This is a food web for a tropical rainforest biome.